Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mohammed. I hope you're doing good. So here I'm about to show you how the cattle farming or the cattle business is done in the northern part of Ghana, especially in my hometown Bolga. So during the dry season, they are allowed to walk out, go out to eat, they graze out themselves. No one is going to take care of them, no one will follow them. So as you can see, the guy is here to take away his cattle, and you see, so in the night they all gather here. This is a school. They all gather here and each and everyone will come and pick his or her animal to the house. So here, I think because they understand the business, they understand the cattle farming, so during the dry season it's not that difficult. Just that the food is not available that much for them, but still they work out themselves, which you can do it in the southern part of Ghana. It's not easy for you to leave your cattle to walk out just like that. It's not an easy thing. So you can see this one is a big man. See, big man. And most of the breed are boboji. They are the short type. Yeah, they are not that big. They are the short type. And this one, you may think it's a young one. Please, it's not a young one. It's very old. It's a grandpa. So you can see the back, because it is used to plow. They are used to plow during the... Okay, so my brother is here to pick his cattle. Ona habala apa oni la po me apa lo ni la po pergalella. Okay, so my brother is here to pick his cattle. Wow. Okay, we love this business, we love it. And I think one thing that I think can help us is using the modern way. Buying feed for them will help them grow well, because the food is not enough for them. They can't really depend on the cowpea and stuff. So I think maybe doing something like the fodder for them will be something good, because here we have the crops like maize. We plant them in large quantity, and maize can be used to do fodder. So guys, well, keep watching my channel, subscribe to the channel, and let us grow this channel together. And you can see it's a beautiful place. This is a school. Yeah, this is a school. This is not a young cattle, please. Don't let it lie to you. Don't let anyone lie to you. Old man, ba. You see, old man. Most of the breed are the boboji type. Another grandma. You see, boboji grandma. And let's see, grandpa. Another grandpa is here. You see, another grandpa. Boboji. You see how they walk? They walk by swinging their head. So guys, it's a good business, but I like this one. Amazing. Big guy. I wonder if this cattle has been taken to the southern part of Ghana. Wallahi, to be a big guy. See, very big one. Satisfied. So guys, some also do sleep here. Some do sleep here too. Some do sleep here. There are many here. And see, some are now going to the house. Some do sleep around. You get it. Very beautiful. This one, very beautiful. Young and beautiful. I like the color. I like the color. As for this Boboji, the great grandma. Great grandma. Guys, real Boboji. Great grandma. Some have the height. Yeah. Some do have the height. But some bum. See no Jack. So this is how the cattle farming is done in my hometown here in Bolga. This is it. They do understand it. They understand each other. And this time there is no crops anywhere. So the cattle are free to roam. Eat free range. See, and this one is pregnant. Great grandma. See, so guys, that's how it is. Itu wana pelo ni be. Okay, so another brother is here to pick his cattle. Abere, unde labe? Malgala. Abe, pel gala. Pinter be. Asake. Huh? Another Boboji sister. Okay. Wow. Hang on, my doing it. Okay. Okay, lawe. Okay, lawe. Okay. Yawe ete wana pele ni. Oh, okay. Una we ina. Oh, okay. Oyore. Okay. He's also here to pick his cattle. Okay. Another brother is also here. Oh, this is beautiful. I like it. Okay. It's beautiful. A lot of people are here to pick theirs. their cattle.